You ever wonder why some people grind for years and still stay broke, lazy, and miserable, while others just seem to win without even trying? You think it's luck, genetics, or manifestation? No, it's death by 7 tiny assassins, the silent killers of success, and right now. At least 2 of them are living rent-free inside your brain. Keep watching, because once you spot them, you'll realize they've been quietly wrecking your potential for years, and I'll show you exactly how to destroy each one. The first killer is indifference, the whatever attitude that makes you scroll instead of act. You say you want success, but your energy says you're just chilling till the Wi-Fi cuts out. You don't drift to the top of the mountain, genius. You climb, crawl, and sometimes cry your way up there. Stop waiting for motivation and start moving, because passion doesn't come before progress. It comes after momentum. Want to feel alive again? Do something that matters and pour effort into it like your life depends on it, because, honestly, it does. The second killer is indecision, mental paralysis. You think too much, you call it research, I call it mental constipation. You've been deciding for 6 months whether to start that business or switch majors. Newsflash, you'll never think your way into clarity, you act your way there. Pick a direction and run with it. Even if it's wrong, you'll learn faster than the genius still weighing options. Failure is feedback. Indecision is slow suicide. The third killer is doubt, the quiet virus in your head that whispers, "You're not ready, you're not smart enough. You'll fail anyway." Here's the science. Your brain listens to whatever you tell it most often. Keep saying, "I can't," and your neurons start building walls around opportunity. Flip it, start saying, "Why not me?" Believe in yourself like it's your full-time job, because if you don't, no one else will. Fourth worry, the emotional parasite. You're not tired, you're mentally exhausted from worrying about 47 fake problems that haven't even happened yet. Worry burns calories and kills confidence. It doesn't prepare you, it paralyzes you. Stop rehearsing disasters in your head and replace "what if it goes wrong" with "what if it changes my life?" You can't control everything, but you can control whether you panic or prepare. Choose wisely. Fifth over caution, the coward in a suit. It disguises itself as logic. You say, "I'm just being careful." No, you're scared, but with spreadsheets. You want guarantees before you jump. Guess what? There aren't any. Life's a risk buffet, and you're trying to leave hungry. If you think taking risks is expensive, try living with regret. Security is an illusion. The only real safety is skill. So stop overanalyzing and start experimenting before your life becomes one big what if. Sixth, pessimism, the habit of losing before you start. You think being cynical makes you smart, but it just makes you sad and broke. You see a half-full glass and start complaining about the fingerprints. Stop scanning for flaws like it's your full-time job. Winners look for reasons why it could work. Losers collect excuses like NFTs. If your first thought is always, "this won't work," congrats. You're predicting your own failure. Fix your lens, not your luck. Seventh, complaining, the slow poison of progress. You spend more energy describing your problems than solving them. You call it venting, I call it emotional junk food. Feels good, kills you slowly. Every minute you complain, you reinforce the identity of a victim instead of a builder. You're literally programming your brain to stay stuck. So here's your new rule. If you can fix it, fix it. If you can't, shut up and move. You're not a tree. You can change your environment, your job, your friends, your life, but not if you're busy crying about Wi-Fi speed. These 7 silent killers, indifference, indecision, doubt, worry, overcaution, pessimism, and complaining aren't just bad habits. They're mental termites eating your potential from the inside out. So starting today, stand guard at the door of your mind. Stop letting trash thoughts move in rent-free. Every second you give to fear, you steal from your own greatness. If this video punched you in the gut good, that means you're still alive enough to change. Now it's your turn. Drop a confession in the comments. Tell me which of these 7 killers has been haunting you, because when you say it out loud, you take away its power. And if you want this message to hit someone else who needs it, share it with 10 friends. Don't just watch transformation be the reason it spreads. Let's wake people up one brutally honest truth at a time.